Hi guys, I'm eating my salad, what's left, my dinner for tonight, eating my veggies, and drinking my lemon water. Tonight I might eat me a yogurt as well, eat my veggies and fruit. Mm. Eating good, trying to stay focused on eating better to lose weight. So my health can improve, my skin can improve a little more better. And I love eating pickles. And they almost gone. Mm-mm-mm. I bought these yesterday. Kosher deals, Spears pickles. And they are so good. And I should got two. Now I'll be drinking my lemon water. And I'm gonna eat my yogurt or my replacement meal after this, so I won't have to eat nothing else or eat a yogurt. And I will be eating my salad. Resting my salad up. So I hope you guys like my mukbang dinner tonight. Just trying to eat a little better and improve my health and lose weight and stay focused. Trying to stay focused on top of my game every day to help to improve my skin and improve my health to get better. And I have to take my vitamins before I lay down as well. And I'm taking me a good bath and watch my TV shows tonight on BET. They playing Farewell, play on Tyler Perry, BET, and they will be playing Sisters and First Wives and Bigger show on BET on Wednesday night back to back. So get into those shows, my YouTube family. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.